Hello and welcome to Redo, a platform dedicated to helping you understand and apply artificial intelligence in the real world. In today's fast-moving digital era, AI is not just a technology, it is a skill, a career opportunity, and the future of innovation. Redo is designed for learners who want to stay ahead by mastering AI tools with clarity and confidence. On this channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, and other leading AI systems. Step-by-step guidance for real-world AI projects. Productivity and automation techniques for students and professionals. Practical methods to use AI for career growth and earning opportunities. Our approach is simple. Push-pin practical learning, no unnecessary complexity. Every lesson includes real examples, real applications, and results that you can use immediately. Whether you are a student, a beginner, a working professional, or someone transitioning to the tech field, Redo will support your journey to becoming AI skilled and future-ready. At Redo, we believe that learning AI should be heavy checkmark accessible, heavy checkmark clear, heavy checkmark practical, heavy checkmark growth-oriented. You are not just watching tutorials. You are joining a community that learns, practices, and grows together. If you are ready to elevate your skill set and shape your future with AI, you are in the right place. Subscribe to Redo and activate notifications to stay updated with every new lesson, project, and opportunity. Clapperboard professional closing line, hype plus polished. Coming up next, stay ready winking face. Major AI content is on the way. Let's learn AI. Let's retry. Let's master. Let's build the future together.